Would you like a snack? We have chips or biscuits.
Snack.
Biscuits? Oh, in the United States, we call them cookies. I'd love some.
Cookie.
Would you like to bake some biscuits?
Biscuits.
That sounds great. Do you have enough flour, eggs, and sugar?
Flour. Sugar.
Yes, we also need a little oil.
A little.
Please mix the ingredients.
Mix.
It's going to take 10 minutes in the oven.
Oven.
The cookies smell great. Yum!
Smell. Now match the word and picture.
Which is flour?
Do we have enough flour in the cupboard?
Which is to mix?
Please mix the eggs and oil.
Can you find a cookie?
The cookies taste fantastic. Now choose the correct word.
The biscuits or snacks are going to take or smell 10 minutes in the oven or mix.
The biscuits are going to take 10 minutes in the oven.
I think baked cookies or flour are a fantastic snack or mix. They smell or mix good and taste great.
I think baked cookies are a fantastic snack. They smell good and taste great.
What's this?
Cookie.
Yes, it's a cookie. When are they usually eaten?
Snack.
Yes, cookies are a snack between meals.
What are these ingredients called?
Flour. Sugar.
Yes, it's sugar and flour.
How much oil should I add?
A little.
Yes, I should add a little oil.
What must I do with the ingredients?
Mix.
Yes, I must mix them in a bowl.
What's this?
Oven.
Yes, it's an oven. How long are the cookies going to take in the oven? Yes, it's going to take 10 minutes.
What
What's this?
Smell.
Yes, the cookies smell delicious.